I made this last year. This is our DIY ornament. So it's a recycled ornament that was from like this, and it becomes one of the.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
Guys, welcome back to our channel. This is FemMNY, and once again, this is Chelan. For this video, I'm going to show you how we decorate our Christmas tree. See this, guys? I made this last year. This is our DIY ornament. So it's a recycled ornament that was from like this, and it becomes one of this. So we have a blog on this if you want to check it out, how to make this. So anyway, back to our project. You just want to make a clusters, I should say, you should make clusters of balloon, I mean not balloon, clusters of ornaments, attach them all like that. And then I'd like to put one of this one here, so there's one, a disco light or something like that, dance light.
We need the thing, the green thing.
So you can either use this, whatever you use, like a string or a hook. Like that. Well, I was just in the video, I attached them ornaments. I assembled them like in groups right here, like a cluster. And guys, here's our Christmas tree for this year, 2020. It's now done. And I added some butterflies right there. So we have white, green, red, silver, and on the bottom is blue. Well, you guys, hope you like this, and if you do, please leave us some comments and like and subscribe. And please give us a thumbs up. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Once again, this is FemMNY. If you're not subscribed as of yet, please do. Thank you. See you in our next video.